Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how I achieve getting my eyebrows done. Today's tutorial, once again, is about my eyebrows. Of course, you can see the finished look because I went in and completed the finished look on my face with my makeup, but the focus today is on how to do your eyebrows. It's going to be a quick video. I do hope that you enjoy. Keep watching. So today's video was requested by Fragrance Free Beauty on how I do my eyebrows. So the video is focused on getting my eyebrows done. I just went in with a spoolie to brush my eyebrows out and get them in place before applying the products that I'm going to be using. Excuse the face, y'all. I already added foundation, primer, and setting powder on my face, so the look is a bit messy, but the finished results are worth seeing, so stick with me. Here I have my concealer. I am going to add my concealer onto my flat end brush, and then I will apply the concealer under my eyebrows and over my eyebrows that I will be outlining to create the definition. When doing this, you want to ensure that you're going in with the concealer that is a shade lighter than your foundation. This really helps with the finished look. So after applying the concealer to outline my eyebrows, I then go in with the same brush and I blend in the concealer around the parameters of my eyebrow that I just highlighted. Now I'll be going in with my pencil. I am using the pencil in the shade brown to fill in any gaps that may be seen in my brows, and this will really help to define and shade in the area to make them look more pronounced with the entire look. So I'm simply going in with my pencil liner here in the shade brown to fill in the areas on my brow that may be sparse, and this helped to really make the look more pronounced. Here I'm simply going back in with my brush and touch up any areas that need touching up to complete the look, and then I'll finish my entire makeup look and you'll see the end results in just a jiffy. If you may not have seen other makeup applications, I will link those in the cards. Be sure to check them out. But here I am applying my eyeshadows. I'm using Mented eyeshadow palette. If you know me, you know that I like my neutral shades. So I'm simply going in for that natural neutral look using my Mented eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going in with my Coffee and Cocoa eyeshadow palette by Beauty Bakerie. I am simply going to go in with the Your Grounded shade in my inner tear duct to add that color to my inner tear duct using the Your Grounded shade from the Beauty Bakerie palette. I am now sealing my complete look with my setting spray, and that's the finished product. I do hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if my application of how I do my eyebrows had made it simpler for you to give it a try. Be sure to thumbs up the video and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Check the cards and the description box for other makeup videos.